Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reduce memory usage in Microsoft Edge using sleep tabs. So basically what sleeping tabs does, if you enable this feature, it will suspend them if they are inactive for a certain amount of time. So basically free up CPU and memory in the background guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to Microsoft Edge and go to three dot icon on the right side, three dot icon, and go to settings guys, click on it, and left side you need to go to system and performance, and left side system and performance, click on it. On right side optimize performance, you need to scroll down guys. Here option improve your PC gaming experience with the efficiency mode, you can turn it on. Save resources with sleeping tabs, this is what we needed. When this is on, inactive tabs will go to sleep after a specified time to system resources. You can turn it on or off, your choice guys. And you can put inactive tabs to sleep after specified amount of time if you want it. I'm using 30 minutes, I'm using 30 or up to 12 hours, that is having guys. You can put whatever you need it. Never put these websites to sleep mode. You can add YouTube, for example YouTube or anything important website you can add, that will never go sleep mode, that will running in the background, that will you want it, means you add like this here. That's it guys, I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.